We have a quadrilateral formed by parallel lines AB and DC, intersected by lines AD and BC, with a diagonal AC. The diagonal AC is parallel to a line. That makes an angle X with AD, given that angle ACD equals 47 degrees, and the supplementary angle formed with angle BAD equals 83 degrees. Find the angle X. The supplementary angle to angle BAD is 83 degrees. So angle BAD equals 180 minus 83, 97 degrees. In triangle ADC, we know angle ACD equals 47 degrees. To find angle X, which is angle DAC, we use the fact that angle ADC plus angle DAC plus angle ACD equals 180 degrees. But first, we need angle ADC. Since AB and DC are parallel lines, and BC is a transversal, angle ABC equals angle ADC equals 83 degrees, corresponding angles. Now in triangle ADC, angle ADC plus angle ACD plus angle DAC equals 180 degrees. Substituting known values, 83 plus 47 plus angle DAC equals 180. Therefore, angle X equals angle DAC equals 50 degrees. The final answer is 50.